Hi, I'm Koay. I'm a CEO of Kobay Technology Berhad. Kobay Technology is an investment holding company. Our core business is manufacturing and property development. For the manufacturing division, we are specialized in precision engineering. Our customer including semiconductor, electronics, oil and gas, as well as aerospace industry. For our property project development, currently we have one project which is in Pulau Langkawi to develop a lifestyle service condo. Along the way, there are many changes, so we need to transform from time to time. For example, for our group, we started about 40 years ago. During that time, that is very manual machine. But today, it is all CNC control machinery. Along the way, we also have challenges. For instance, the business recessions. But the only thing to solve this is you need to be hard work as well as persistence. I believe everyone can sail through. The other thing is when customers move out from Malaysia, they are our core customer. So overnight we see order decrease. So the only thing is we have to try new thing. As you know, when try new thing, it is always very painful, but you need to suffer the pain. At the end, only you can see the new light. I always say, righteous come before work. Be a simple, honest and sincere person. To be a leader, make sure you must have clear direction. To have a positive and conducive environment in your company, to produce results, and at the same time, build the future for the company as well as for the employee. Well, I born in Penang, grew up in Penang, study in Penang, I do the business in Penang. Penang, in fact, it is a very beautiful island. We have a nice beaches. We have a lot of mountain. Penang people is simple and humble. In Penang, we have a good education system that to grow up the next generation, as well as we have a very good hospitalization for the senior citizen.